Well, it is Friday and I am back in the office. I was in Philadelphia this morning. I was in Cape May County yesterday. So it's been a busy couple of days for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It is Friday. Like every Friday, I want to give out my weekend advice. On Friday, not only do we come out with our weekly e-update, which goes out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, our weekend advice is often very important for people because we understand that people are traveling. Now, this particular weekend is supposed to rain a lot. I have to take my son to a hockey game, of course, but it's supposed to rain a lot, but people still may be out on the roads, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And as in our experience shows that typically most of our criminal cases do come in during the holidays or during the weekend. So with that said, if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. If you are stopped and police want to search the car, do not give them consent. Remember that if you give consent, you are giving up all of your constitutional rights, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Now, in Pennsylvania, in most situations, police need a warrant to search your car, but in New Jersey, warrantless searches are permissible. That being said, if police want to search your car, do not get in their way. Simply do not give consent. Do not argue with the officer. Do not put your hands on the officer, because that will only lead to additional charges like resisting arrest and possibly aggravated assault. If they find something in the car, you are not obligated to make any statements. You're not obligated to make any statements regarding where you're going, where you've been, or what you've done. Just obligated to give your license, registration, proof of insurance, and that is it. With regards to traveling, remember, understand that Pennsylvania and New Jersey have very different laws with regards to guns and firearms. Your Pennsylvania gun does not belong in New Jersey. Now, I've done articles on this. New Jersey has somewhat made it easier to get a gun permit, a permit to carry, but still you need a permit to carry a gun in New Jersey. If you take your Pennsylvania gun into New Jersey, you are committing a crime under the New Jersey Crimes Code and subject to a 42-month mandatory minimum sentence in New Jersey, in addition to having an arrest and a possible felony conviction. So it's a very serious charge. Once again, if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help a criminal case. I can't tell you how many people tell me, well, I wasn't sure what to do, and I thought that by refusing, I was simply exercising my constitutional right. Now, refusing a breathalyzer test, there's been a ton of case law on this. It is not considered testimonial evidence, and therefore you don't have a constitutional right to refuse. And by having a driver's license or just driving the car on a road in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, you have consented to things like chemical testing. So it's called implied consent. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos, and my podcast featuring attorneys from outside of our criminal defense practice to discuss their practice. But once again, questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. I'm going to link in our latest e-update. It's a fantastic resource to have going into your weekend. Have a great weekend. Please enjoy it responsibly, and I'll talk to you all very soon.